What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today we are taking the beloved character, Dora the Explorer, and turning her into a grown-up. And these are the three images I went with. One of a beautiful woman here with a similar haircut, and another one in cut-off shorts, and then the original picture of Dora. And the full picture of the woman standing, I like her stance. That's the stance I went with. So that's how I'm going to have Dora standing. So one of the main things, if you're ever trying this, to take a cartoon and do something totally different, I would always suggest using real photos. You don't want to take someone else's artwork and then, work off of that, because you're creating something totally brand new. So you want it to come out looking like your style, right? So I'm basically taking all the features from that real woman in the photo. The way she's standing and her head is tilted. But the features I'm adding on the face is basically Dora's, but changing her eyes a little bit. Dora has the really big eyes. But the difference between kids and adults, especially like on cartoons, is the eyes, right? So if you have a kid that's as big eyes as when they're young, when they get a little older, you do the eyes a little smaller. So that was my logic in doing that. And as you see, the stance is coming along. I did an initial sketch on the layer beneath, and I created another layer, and that is the drawing for the main sketch on top. And we're just, I decided her legs were just a little short. I want her a little taller, so just lengthening the legs and tightening up the shape of them. And when you're doing stuff like this, you want to make sure you have the body and the figure and the forms exactly the way you want it before you do anything else. Make sure it's looking exactly how you want it, and then you could start coming and adding features as far as the shorts here. And I could have left it without the tear at the bottom, because I did like the way the shorts came, but I said let me just do it the way I had it planned in my head. And she is looking good. Let's throw the, Dora is known for that knapsack. So let's just make sure the knapsack is on her back right there. And as you see, I did the full body position, and then I'm adding the features and erasing certain parts, like a cut-off shirt, the bag. Now I'm adding the shoes on her feet. I didn't have to do every individual toe. I just did the basic shape of a foot. And then now I'm just tightening it up with the classic Dora sneakers and socks. And did it just like I did everything else. Now we're moving on to the color. And every color here is taken from the drawing I had of Dora, the real drawing. So we want all the colors to match. Dora here is a little darker brown. So I'm just really liking the way this is coming out. She looks like this is like mid to upper teens in this picture. Maybe let's say 18. We don't go too low in the age, right? I would say maybe 16 to 18, my dear, right? But she's definitely ready to explore still. All right, now we just create another layer on top, and I'm just coming with the shadows. And once you add the shadows, it just takes it to another level, right? Sometimes you think you're adding shadows and you're gonna mess your work up. Try not to think like that. Just think of the shadows is adding another flavor and layer to it. Shadows under her hair and her mouth. And once the shadows are complete, now we come in with the highlights. The highlight just brings it all to another level. Let's get it on the shirt there, in her eyes. And there you have it, guys. We are done. Dora the Explorer all grown up and looking good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smack that like button. Hit the like. Hit the subscribe button so you know when I drop a new video. Leave me a comment. Any feedback will be appreciated. So until next time, y'all be good and be safe. Peace.